Well, it is time to get this out of here. I am so tired. About to give up on Lego. This is depressing. You gotta get moving all this stuff out of here now. Yeehaw. Fun times here. But yeah. All of this has got to go. And you really got a place to put it out in the garage while they redo it. So we're going to do one shelf at a time, one set at a time. Then we got the closet. Yeah. Stressed out about now. I guess it could be worse. But we got it. Look at this. Wet. I do want to thank all you guys for all your support, thoughts, and everything. So yeah, be all good. Well, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this oral medicine. There's my wife. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, she's helping me. All right, later.